Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're going to do a walk around and a test drive on a great looking 1967 Chevelle. It's a sweet car. Recent restoration, exterior restoration on this. It's got great looking white paint, new black vinyl top. Great sounding 2.5-inch dual exhaust.
This is just a badass old school muscle car.
Absolutely.
I mean, back in the day in 1969, 70, you know, this is exactly how most of the 1967 Chevelles looked. You know, raked up in the ass end, some big 8-inch wide wheels, tires, sometimes 10s, you know, some 50s in the back. Sweet, dude. I love the look of it. 350 runs awesome.
Great running 350 underneath the hood. It's got aluminum heads. It's got a nice cammed up sound.
I love it. It's got polished headers. It's got a polished aluminum radiator, Edelbrock heads, intake, Holley 4-barrel carburetor. It does have power brakes, and we are running some Willwood disc brakes on the front as well. So really, really cool car. And I think priced right too. For a bucket seat console, built aluminum heads, 67 Chevelle, I think it's got a great price on it.
It's awesome. I'm excited that we can have this car priced in that price range. It's hard to find stuff that we like and are still able to price, you know, for a good affordable muscle car.
Yeah, I totally agree, man. And you can't beat a 67 Chevelle, 67 GTO. I mean, they're just an amazing year for muscle cars.
Yeah, new front bumper, the chrome on the bumper and the grill, headlight surrounds, all in beautiful shape. They did put the SS hood, which I love. It looks great on there.
Yeah. And look at the back of the hood. I mean, we didn't have to push it down or nothing. Look how nice and tight that gap is. Our gap here at the front edge of the door against the front edge of the fender is awesome. We just got a couple little water specks here from moving it around, but super nice fenders, rocker, door. Back corner of the door lines up perfect too to the quarter and the rocker there.
You want to take the camera and then you can...
I kind of like you having the camera, D. You're doing a great job.
You're just explaining ahead of me.
Well, I'm getting kind of hyper this morning. Wheels and tires are brand spanking new too. We got brand new Cooper Cobra radials. We got nice Cragar SS rims, and we just went ahead and balanced the tires too.
He did new door handles.
Oh, he did everything. We bought like 8 or 9 classics from this gentleman in the last 9 years, and every one he restores himself and does a beautiful job. Armrests, base, pad, rubbers, door panels, seats, seat covers, seat pads, seat chrome, seat backs. I mean,
carpet's new.
Everything's new and nice.
Yeah, dash is good. Nice steering wheel, aftermarket tack, that works.
Factory console, and just to have a bucket seat console Chevelle, you know, a little Malibu, that's something in itself.
Absolutely.
Headliner's great. It does not have visors. That's something you can always add on if you want, but we're not going to mess with that.
Back bumper's new. It's got a good shine. This piece here in the middle is new. We do have, it comes along with, I think they're maybe in the trunk for the next owner if you wanted to do them.
What's that?
These little taillight bezels.
Oh,
These are still the original, but it comes with new ones if you wanted to put them in.
Yeah, right here. Yep. Yeah, nice. And trunk floor looks nice. It's all speckled really well. Got a nice Chevy mat in there. As far as our jam paint, that's in good shape as well. Local car show quality paint job.
Yes.
Right? Just a nice paint job. Not a trailer queen, but a newer, nice paint job. Oh shit, that's the Nova I just came in.
I know, I was thinking it was the Impala. Nice.
Yeah, that's sharp.
That was a good looking car. Right there. A few little paint, one little paint chip here along the bottom. Nice straight body, the doors fit good.
That almost looks, for my door here, I thought it was white, but it's kind of a off-white silver white, ain't it?
Yeah, it looks good. The vinyl top is in great shape. You replace that. Back package tray looks good. Nice straight quarter.
The driver's door and the front of the door, back of the door fit the fender and quarter perfectly as well.
Yeah,
all the way down, it's nice.
Yeah, new door handles on both sides. Corners of the door is really solid.
Mm-hmm. Door rubber here. You can tell
it's
just,
glued.
yeah, you see that broke right there, but.
Door panels are new. They look awesome. Really nice interior.
Somebody's gonna like this, D.
The steering wheel's original, so you just have a little bit of pits on that chrome, but overall in nice shape. Dash and wood grain look good. The dash pad and paint on the dash is great.
Looks
Really
like
good
our
car.
top of our cowl matches up to the back of the hood as well, really nicely.
Sweet. Let's drive it, shall we?
All right, let's do it.
Kind of a little bit. The tack works.
It sounds great.
It does. Carries good oil pressure. Temp gauge works.
Temp gauge is at 140. Even though it's at 140, 145, it's already at 55 pounds of oil pressure. Goes over to 80. This guy builds nice cars.
He does, and I like him because they're just awesome local car show quality cars.
Yeah.
They're new, they're nice, but they're not, 60 grand.
Correct. Uh-oh.
Dome light does not work.
Nope. At idle here, and it's about 145 degrees. It's warm ready. 55 to up to about 80. AM FM radio works great. The guy who built this car and built the other 7 or 8 we bought the last so many years does a great job. They're just nice, clean, local car show quality winning drivers.
Yes.
Right?
Yep. With nice new interiors, good looking paint and stance. Just overall
Nothing's
good car.
half-assed. It's just not over the top trailer queen.
Correct. It's
Stuff
not
that you can
60,
drive.
70 grand. It's just a nice car you can afford and be proud of.
Oil pressure gauge here works, and it also works here. It works perfect here on the dash as well. Our alternator battery gauge works, gas gauge works. It's full of gas right now. SunPro tack works. Wipers work. We got new blades on them.
The heater fan does not work, and that's how we're
Okay.
selling it.
Yep. And the dome light's not working.
Yep.
All right, let's do it. We've got a new kickdown switch for this too. So we'll go through the gears with it, but the kickdown will work on it before it gets delivered.
Yep. It's got a turbo 400 tranny, 3-speed.
Really nice.
Yep. Nice transmission. Nicely built motor.
We'll take it for a cruise and warm it up, and maybe on the way back we'll get after it a little, huh?
Yeah. And I was surprised, after driving it, I was surprised to learn that it didn't have power steering because it steers really nice.
Steers super easy. And if a guy wants power steering, we actually do that. There's a really nice kit we put on, about 2 or 3 66, 67s already.
Yep.
Very reasonable too, but like you said, Dalton,
It doesn't need it.
It doesn't need it.
It steers really nice. You like one hand.
Speedometer works great. Shows we're at about 30, 35 mile an hour. We balanced all the wheels and tires as well. Here's your brakes. Willwoods on the front. Power brakes. No pull left or right. What a beautiful day, man. I'm so excited for summer.
Yeah, it's nice.
We're just going to kind of just ease into it a little bit, warm it up. Transmission shift's good. Windows go up and down great too. Our back windows are still open, guys, but speedometer has a little bounce between 4 or 5 mile an hour. It's at 70 and it's just bouncing just a little tiny bit.
Not much though.
Oh. There's where our kickdown will really make a difference, but we'll go through the gears here in a second. High-speed braking with those Willwoods.
It's not good.
Yeah, stops great.
The idle's nice. Yeah, when that passing gear gets hooked up, that'll be even
This
more
thing
cool.
rips, though.
It does. It's fast.
Let's go ahead and roll our back windows up, B, just for noise. Should we? Front ones went up good, and so do the back ones. The rubbers are new also, and they seal up excellent. Very, very good. Okay. Feels to me like when he did the seat covers, he put new padding and stuff
And
in it
that's
too.
all those things are things that a lot of the cars that are in this price range aren't going to have.
They're
they're not,
tacky and shitty usually.
Yeah, correct. This is just really nice and crisp and a lot of new parts.
I bet this, if we get this video on, I bet it doesn't last a week.
You got a cart coming.
Ready?
Nice shift.
It runs awesome.
Good shift.
Those are 4,200 RPM shifts. It drives fantastic down the road.
It's got some nice highway gears too.
It does.
Good car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Give us a call, 641-816-3145. We can make it yours. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.